Welcome everybody. Should be a super quick build today, doing the Lego magnet, London fridge magnet. They've had this thing on sale for a while. It's only like I think $7. So I bought it because I could not buy it at that price. I'm not expecting much in here. Just sort of find the edge. And doesn't look like there's many pieces to it. Let's see, what do we got? I sort of intend to do this a one-shot deal. Okay, it does have stickers. There's more pieces than I thought there'd be, to be honest. But we're gonna crack it open and just go right into it, I think. So, let's see, got not a book, it's a pamphlet or a poster, or, I don't think there's quite enough of it to call a poster. No, there's a little bit more. Yeah, it's that much. What we got? Yeah, 13 steps. Okay. Let's see. Start off this guy. And take our green one corner. And our spiky guy. Two of these. I guess I could turn the lights back on. Bring that a little tighter. Go here. And forward. Should be two of those guys together. Got in the front. Yeah, in the back. You go here. And this guy with gets our tree branch. Goes back here. Another double-decker green one here. And those guys, two of those. Yep, like the semicircle. Blue guy. Alright. We got that going on so far. And that's through step 6. We're buzzing right along. 7, drop this guy. And this guy. Got ahead of myself. Should have done that in the last step. Make our London eye. And start putting the stickers on now. And 3. And London across the bottom here. And this guy. And the clock faces go all the way around it. Top to bottom. Crooked. I'll put that facing back. It's slightly better. Okay, so I got those two pretty good, and then just let's see. That's the crooked one, so let's put it all the way to the back. And we put our magnet. Yep, feels pretty stout. Back here. And in under 6 minutes, we've completed a Lego build and have a new refrigerator magnet. Cool. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time. And I'll pick back up with the Harry Potter builds, the brickheads, on Thursday. See you then.